Alright, so what do you do if you've got a connector that you need to check continuity on, or need to check for power, ground, but you don't have a pin for your multimeter or an adapter that will fit in here? If you use your regular test lead, if it's too big and you try to shove it in there, you'll damage your terminal inside your connector, and whenever you plug it back up, you'll have a bad connection there, so you don't want to do that. A hack for this is going to a junkyard, or whenever I get a part in, like say a used engine and it's got the harness still on it, I'll take these connectors right here off and keep them. Now, as you can see, this one has got several different size pins in it. So what we'll do is we'll rob pins out of here, and then you'll be able to use them as test leads. To do this, you're going to want to separate your wires on the back side to side so you can get this little retainer off. So to get your retainer off, you have a clip on each side. Pop it up there. Pop it up there. Well, there we go. And it'll come right on off. Now you're also going to want to remove this purple retainer in here. The easiest way I found is to take an S-pick like this one, stick it in one of the holes that does not have a pin, and just kind of twist it and pull up, and she'll come out of there. Now if you'll look, it's kind of hard to see, but you've actually got a tab right here. And these tabs hold these pins in, so what you're going to do is take that S-pick, push that tab down, pull that pin out. So we'll find our wire going to our pin back here on the back, and we'll take our S-pick, and this one may not be sharp enough. We'll try to push down and we'll pull out. So now you've got a test pin. Take your cutters, cut it off. So now whenever you need to test this connector, you can take this pin right here and you won't damage anything. Hope that helps y'all out. If it did, hey, leave a comment, let me know. If you want to say something else, or you'd rather me have explained something else better, let me know as well, and I'd appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button, and everyone else have a good day.